Throughout my life, I've been to various major football stadiums across India. Be it the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata, the Jain Stadium in Shillong, or the Jain Stadium in Kochi. I've been to it all and I've seen it all. But deep down, there's a part of me that enjoys the grassroots matches of India more than anything. The vibe of these matches are completely different. Maybe you won't get to see the flashy and fancy fireworks, but the passion from that particular portion of fans is what makes grassroots matches so special. This is part 2 of Inside the Grassroots and Youth of Indian Football, and today I'm on my way to Khumlung, a 40-minute drive from Agartala to witness the semi-final of the Maharaja Bir Bikram Memorial Football Tournament. With that being said, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a brand new matchday vlog. Alright, so चलते हैं अभी धीरे धीरे करके खुमलुंग की तरफ. I don't really want to vlog while I'm driving and it's also going to be sort of a long drive. 40 minute maximum लगेगा जाने में, but still I don't really want to get myself distracted while I'm driving, especially given the conditions of the roads of Tripura and Agartala. So yeah, let's go. I'll see you guys once I'm there. Chalo, let's go.
Vlog.
Eh?
Vlog बनाऊंगा.
Oh, look at the condition of these roads. So bad. Look how beautiful these roads are in Khumlung. It's empty, it's green. Okay, हम लोग पहुंच गए खुमलुंग and अभी हम लोग जाएंगे स्टेडियम के अंदर. यहाँ पे देखते हैं कोई टिकट विकेट लेना पड़ता है कि नहीं. So let's go inside. Let's go. टिकट हमने ले लिया यहाँ पे 10 रुपए से.
देखते रहता हूँ ना.
हम लोग पहुँच गए यहाँ पे खुमलुंग स्टेडियम में. बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा स्टेडियम. लास्ट टाइम TTADC का फाइनल हम लोग यहाँ पे देखने आए थे. जिस दिन हम लोग शिलोंग गए थे टू वॉच, लाइक वी सेट फॉर शिलोंग दैट डे, क्योंकि हम इंडिया बांग्लादेश देखने जाने वाले थे. तो हम लोग ने फर्स्ट हाफ देख के हम निकल गए थे स्टेडियम से. आज जो है आज पूरा मैच देखेंगे. इट्स द फर्स्ट सेमीफाइनल. सो वी हैव फाउंड आवर स्पॉट सिटिंग हियर एंड स्टेडियम फिलहाल खाली तो है थोड़ा बहुत सा, बट गुड इनफ क्राउड. The match is still not started. I think it will start from 4. So we'll wait for an hour. Okay, so we have changed our spot. हम लोग गोल पोस्ट के पीछे आके बैठ गए क्योंकि धूप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ है वहाँ पे. So we're sitting behind the goal post now, which is usually what I prefer because you can see the goals better. But I'll show you something. The one reason that I don't prefer this is because there is such a big gap here. Okay, so मुझे पता नहीं एग्जैक्टली कौन सा टीम क्या है. एक है पेंगुल FC, एक है गोंगरे FC. सो आई जस्ट नो द नेम्स. अभी कौन सा क्या टीम है ये नहीं पता. बट इफ आई हैड टू टेक अ गेस, आई थिंक पेंगुल इज द ब्लू टीम. पता नहीं, जस्ट आई थिंक द ब्लू टीम इज पेंगुल FC. जस्ट द वाइब आ रही है, श्योर नहीं हूँ. लेट्स सी. हियर वी गो. Guys, if you're at a match, cricket match or football match, wherever you are, if you hear the national anthem, please try and stand. That's the least you can do. Okay, here we go. It's time for the kickoff. Usually I make a prediction, but I'm not really aware of the teams. I don't know which team plays how well, how good. So I'm not gonna make a prediction here. Just gonna enjoy the match. Let's go with the kickoff. There we go. Okay, so the blue team is Gangra FC. Oh. Oh. Easy. Oh, foul. What? Shoot! Arre, no, bro. No, bro. not much going on in this match. ज़्यादा action तो हुआ नहीं, and barely any of the teams have come close to scoring. So still 0-0. Gongra FC are defending well. The team in the blue, they are defending well, and yeah, that's about it. We'll see if there are any goals in the first half, but so far not much action. Arey, come on, keep the ball. Oh! Oh, it's offside. Oh, oh, it's through. Shoot! Oh! What a save! What a save, man! What a save from the keeper. Bhai साहब, क्या बढ़िया save था. But that should have been 1-0. वो goal, मतलब that should have been finished. Oh, oh, it's a goal. Woo. Finally, deadlock broken. It's 1-0 to Pengul FC. And it's a good goal as well. Oh. What a goal, wow. It's 2-0. This semi-final is now getting one-sided. So far it was very, very close, you would say. It was 0-0, not really good chances, not many good chances created by either teams. But now, all of a sudden, it's 2-0. Oh shit. Oh, it's true. Come on. Shoot! Oh, it's too late. Oh, it's gonna score. Oh! 3-0. 3-0. It's game over. It is 3-0. This semi-final is pretty much over. It's quite one-sided, and it's not even half-time yet. So we might be in for a very, very one-sided match. Let's see. देखते हैं second half में कितने goals होते हैं. But for now, it's 3-0. Oh, it's true again. Oh, it's offside. No, foul, I think. Yeah, it's foul. Alright, so it is half time here at the Kumlung Stadium. It is 3-0 currently, the score in the first semi-final. So you can say कि semi-final जो है almost ख़त्म हो चुका है, क्योंकि 3-0 का score है. Comeback करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है second half में. But still, it's football. You never know. Anything can happen in football. And we'll see what happens in the second half. Okay, it's time for the second half. The players are out once again, and it's 3-0. We shall restart any minute. Let's go. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Come on, cross. Arre! It's a goal, finally. It's 3-1 here, and finally a goal for the losing team. And all the goals have been scored at this end, at this goal post. So yeah, we've been lucky enough to see all the 4 goals. But it's 3-1. Let's see if there is a comeback or not. Oh, here we go. They're coming on the attack. Oh no. It's a good position of a free kick. Let's see if they can score. Come on. Oh. Good try at the end, but no goal. Oh! 4-1. As expected, a lot of people are leaving because it's 4-1. This game is pretty much over. That was the final blow. I don't think there is a comeback from 4-1 from this position. So, come on, shoot! Finish! Yes! 4-2. Oh! Finish! Oh! A lot is happening here right now. It is 4-2 currently, and we'll see if there's a comeback in the books or not. But it's going to be difficult. But there's still a bit of time left. So let's see. It's currently 4-2, and if they can get one more goal back, then it'll be really interesting. The ending few minutes of this match will be really interesting. If it is somehow 4-3, but yeah, for now it is 4-2. Oh, come on, come on! Oh no! That was the golden chance. If they had scored that, it would have been 4-3, and the final few minutes would have been really interesting. Come on, come on, come on, come on! They still have time. They still have time. Keep the ball in. Come on. Oh, nice. Oh! Oh! Come on! Oh! Oh! 4-3, bro. Now it's interesting. The comeback might be on here, guys. The comeback might truly be on here. It's 4-3. We're going to have a really last few interesting minutes here. It's 4-3. Oh my goodness! Come on! Oh! This is interesting. This is really intense now. Gongrai are playing really well here. They have turned the momentum in their own favor. And what I don't understand is the other team, why are they not defending? They should put everyone back. Like, they should park the bus here. But they're not doing that. So, I don't know. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. Don't shoot. Oh! What the hell? Woo! Four. Oh my goodness. It is 4-4. They were 3-0 down. They were 3-0 down. Oh my goodness. What a semi-final we're having. Pritush, मजा आ रहा है भाई. Worth it. What the drive. क्या semi-final हो रहा है भाई यहाँ पे. 4-4. They were 3-0 down. Now the big question is, can we get a fifth and winning goal here? Can one of the teams score the fifth and possibly the winning goal? That's the big question. Let's see. Listen to this place. It's a free kick for Gongrai FC. Listen to this place. Oh! What a save, bro. What a save. Oh. Nice defending. Good defending. Full time यहाँ पे हो चुका है. It's 4-4 और अभी होने वाला है penalty shootout. जितना मैं जानता हूँ, it's going to be penalty shootout. Extra time नहीं होगा क्योंकि there are no floodlights in the stadium. So which means अगर extra time खेलने जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे there is not going to be enough lighting. So yeah, I'm guessing we're going straight to penalties. Oh! Goal! Oh! It's a goal. It's in. Okay, we have changed our location. हम लोग उस गोल पोस्ट से सीधा इस साइड आ चुके हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे पेनल्टी शूट आउट हो रहा है. So we're gonna see the shootout from this side. Oh no! Gongra FC are still not out of this. There's still a chance for both these sides to make it to the final. I think this is the last penalty. This could be the winning penalty here. I feel so. Let's see. It's very intense here. Oh no! Woo! That's it! What a comeback! Wow! What a game we just witnessed. From 3-0 to 4-4 to penalty shootout. And Gongra FC, who were on the verge of losing, like there was no hope in the first half. The first half ended 3-0. And then you have that brilliant comeback.
It was an outstanding match by Gongra FC.
Outstanding match, man. Outstanding. Like one of the best matches I've seen personally. What a match that was. Perfect semi-final. Passion that I like to see. Full truck में भाई match देखने आ गए ये लोग. This is the passion that we need, man. So what I was saying is, yeah, it was definitely worth the drive. हम लोग इतनी मेहनत से तो नहीं. It's an easy drive, but yeah.
It was a great evening.
We really liked it. Like it was really worth it. Yeah. This drive was really worth it. हम लोग random सा plan बना दिए कि चलो match. मेरे को पता था कि match है. Match देखने आए थे and really loved it. Okay, so yeah, that was a successful event. बहुत ही मज़ेदार मैच था. 3-0 डाउन से ऐसे 4-4 इक्वलाइजर 4-2. जैसा कि मैं कह रहा था, from 3-0 down to 4-2, then equalizing 4-4, then winning on penalties. भाई ऐसे मैचेस बहुत ही कम देखने को मिलते हैं भाई. इतना क्रेजी अप्स एंड डाउन्स वाले मैचेस है, थ्रिलिंग मैचेस बहुत ही. एक टाइम पे तो लग ही रहा था कि ये मैच खत्म हो चुका है फर्स्ट हाफ में जब 3-0 स्कोर था. बट congrats to Gongra FC, man. They're in the final. Tomorrow is also another semi-final. We hope to come back tomorrow. Let's see. We don't know, but yeah, if we do, we're gonna have. Hopefully, we'll have another great game like today's. But yeah, that's it. Another match day vlog in the books. If you guys made it this far, please
bye guys.
Hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys next time.